Hi y'all for the Sneak Show fam, it's your boy Timo the Sneak Show back with another video, man. This video we're going to be talking about my latest pickup, the Air Jordan 2 Python. These did release 2 weeks ago, Saturday, January 20th. They didn't release on Sneakers app or Nike, but they did release on Hibbett's, City Gear, I want to say Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs, and maybe a few other sneaker retailers. I'm not really sure, but these of course did fly under the radar because they are Air Jordan 2s, and we all know that most people within the sneakerhead community don't really rock with Air Jordan 2s, but I did want to cop these, and we're gonna go ahead and not make this video super long and get into it. The Air Jordan 2 Python, these did release, like I said before, January 20th for I want to say these cost about $175. I did hit these on Hibbett, City Gear on a raffle. I don't think they really needed to do a raffle, to be honest, because it was an easy cop, and plus it's still a lot of pairs sitting online and in store as well. This is a clean sneaker in my opinion. We're going to do a quick review on these. You see we do have this tag Air Jordan Wings logo. Also on the back it says Nike Air. You can take this off, of course, if you want to. On the side right here you see it has that vintage age look, which we've been seeing from Jordan Brand for these last 2-3 years, but this is age look here. Is sail here. Got that black hit right here on the side. You do have that gray snake skin pattern here. You had that hit of black right here on the side. Then you have white. The laces right here is sail. Well, not the laces. The eyelets, sail, black eyelet right here. You're going into the front of the sneaker. You do have that Air Jordan with that Wings logo with the basketball in the middle. We have that white tongue, white shoestrings. These do come with a pair of, I want to say, no, hold on, these don't come with no player laces right here. I don't think so. Now these don't come with no spirit. I'm tripping. All right, inside of the sneaker you do have this right here. Inside of there you do have on the other side of the tongue it says, you see here that black tongue. Then you also see you have in red it says Imagine. So that's kind of funny right there. I guess this is like, unofficially like a reimagine maybe, I guess, because it says Imagine, and I guess these do, like I said before, pay homage to the Nike Air Pythons that first released in 1987. So maybe that's why it says that in the back of that tongue. It says it on the other tongue as well, Imagine. Right? Then on the right here, of course, in the insole is black. Got the Nike Air brand in there. On the back of the sneaker you have the fire red Nike. Black here is sail there as well. On the other side of the sneaker is the same as the other side. Sail here, white here, that snakeskin pattern, that python pattern in gray. This is the left sneaker. The right sneaker is exactly the same. Not a whole lot to talk about here. Okay, let's go to the bottom of the sneaker as well. You have this gray here, black. Then you see right here with the Nike Air and sail. Then it has 12, which is the size of the sneaker, the size that I do wear. Also, we have a tag, the same tag that was on the Air Jordan 1 Ochres that came out a week before this as well. You see you got the Japanese or the Chinese lettering here. It might be Japanese. Then it says right here on this tag, please note, due to the nature of the metallic components, slight variations or imperfections should be expected. Do not eat by mistake. They're trying to be funny, I guess. Oh yeah, I get it. Because they saying that because it's a python, the snake. You know what I mean? Don't eat the snake. Yeah, but yeah, you got the white shoestrings right here. Yeah, man, ain't not a whole lot to talk about. Air Jordan 2, like I said before, these do pay homage to the Nike Air Pythons that first released in 1987. Then we did see some retros between the years of 2013 and 2015. Yeah, man. I think these are nice in my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these Air Jordan 2 Pythons. Do y'all even rock with Air Jordan 2s? Is these trash? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section below. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and get us more looks of the sneaker before we get to the end of the video. We just check it out right here. And a few little more looks of these. But yeah, like I said before, I ain't trying to make this video super duper long. Let's go ahead and get to the end of it. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new content like this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok as well. All handles are the same. Timo the Sneak Show everywhere. And until next time, it's your boy. Stay humble, go hard, and don't let nobody stop you. 1.